Welcome back, Kings and Queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today, I am in Canva, and I'm actually in the Pro version today. Trying to share my screen so you guys can see everything. So, what I want to show you is how to do an SVG file in Canva and send it to Cricut. So, you see I have a file here today, and I'll just show you really quickly how I design the file. If you're in the home screen in Canva, just click on the page type you're looking for, which is 8.5 by 11 is what I'm working on. And you can click add a page here just to get a fresh canvas. And I'm just going to go to elements, and I typed in football. And then I found the helmet that I was looking for. Now, if you don't want to do this and you want to find something very specific, you can put in helmet, and it might help you search a little quicker. So this is the helmet that I chose, and again, I'm in the free version of Canva, so I have access to these. And I just chose a blue color. Then I went back to elements again, and I selected star. And I chose a star, probably this one. Now you change your color of your background so it doesn't blend, it can stand out. And then you just size the image to what you want. Now I'm not going to get real technical on the design, size, and all of that, because this is just a sample of what you can do, and you really want to make it how you want it. You might not want the star that big. Or you may want something different. Now I'm going to click add a heading, and I'm just going to type all star. Now I'm going to go up to the top, change my font to Northwestern. I feel like that's more of a school, sports, collegiate type of font. And now I just want to make sure it fits inside of the helmet. Now, you can place it up top, you can place it down bottom, you can place it wherever you think it works for you. And I'm just going to move this whole thing around so I can make sure the helmet's centered. And make sure my star and everything is where I want it. You can also change your letter spacing if you've never done that. Go up here and click spacing, and you can move your letters so that they're closer together. And then move things around. Alright, so I got it here. And I'm now just going to click the share button at the top. Now when you click the share button, it gives you some download options. So what you want to do is click download. You want to choose SVG. It's very important you choose transparent background. And then click download. Now you'll see at the bottom of my screen it's a zip file. I'm going to go back up and I'm going to do it again, only because I had 2 pages here, and I don't really like having to go unzip all my files. If you never work with Canva, if you just have a single page, you won't have this issue. You'll just click SVG, make sure your background is transparent, and download, and you'll see the difference in a minute. Now, because it's a single file, it's no longer showing as a zip file, it's just showing as my download. So now I'm in Cricut. I'm going to click upload to upload my image, and then I am going to click the first button to upload it, and I'm going to click browse, and this way I can pull it off my computer. you can see the All-Star zip file. That's not the one I want. I want the single file. And there it is. Now it's already going to come out as a cut image because we saved it as an SVG. And now I'm just going to click upload at the bottom. And here it is. So I'll click on it, click add to canvas. And I'm just shrinking my screen so you can see it. Now, you have to weld your letters together. So, if you've never done that before, one of the best ways to do it is to go over to your side where all of your items are. We're going to hide the star just by clicking the eye. And we're going to hide the helmet. Now, we're going to highlight over the words. And we're going to click weld. Now, we can show everything again. And it's all back here. Now when I go up to the top and I click make it, it's going to send it to a mat. And it's going to show you the order it's going to cut out. And everything is listed as a basic cut. But you can see my words are all together. If I hadn't done that, if I had not welded them together, these words would have just been placed however Cricut decided to place them. So now we have our all-star helmet with the star and the wording all able to be layered. Created in Canva. Created in Canva and uploaded to Cricut. It's early, guys. I haven't had my coffee yet. But I hope this helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys have a good day.